Alright, review of the Keurig or however you pronounce it. Coffee maker, tea maker. I just use it to make tea. I think this is a great way to make tea. It just heats up the water. It's a great way to get that perfect water temperature. And so, look at it. It's just, you got your water container back here where you fill up the water. So you fill that up with water. It's got a little filter thing in here. So you gotta try not to keep water in there sitting for too long because it starts to turn moldy and you'll have to wash it and clean it. But it's no more dirtier or no more cleaner than your water lines in your house. If you ever seen the inside of your water lines after years and years and years, decades, your water lines are disgusting inside in your home or your apartment or wherever. But anyway, so as a little side note, I'm gonna plug this bad boy in, and I think it's amazing. So it turns on, and so when I hit on, it's going to start heating up the water. Well, it'll say welcome, and it's preheating. Okay, it's heating up the water, and then in the meantime, this is a horrible floor, but it does. It's all just ramen noodles, but it does its purpose. It's a floor. It's a good floor. It's an ugly floor, but it needs swept. But it does its job. Same thing as the countertop. It's very, very ugly, but ugly is in the eyes of the beholder. Even though it's you know when something's pretty and when something's not. But we'll be nice. So I leave the sugar up on the fridge up here because I don't want no ants. Ants find a way to get in the house. You can try everything, it might work. So this is a little difficult with one hand, but it's still preheating. So it'll heat up. It's heating that water up, and then you pretty much select a couple buttons, and then you lift that up, drop it, and you hit the button, and it'll pour hot water. And I got the tea bag already in there with my awesome cup, and it's the dishwasher it kind of peeled it a little bit, so because it's a really warm temperature. But I'm gonna hold on. It says lift to begin. Alright, so I'm gonna get my cup ready. I like 3.5 spoonfuls of sugar, which is, I don't measure it, so I don't know how much that is, but I'm sure that's 4. But anyway, lift to begin. So let me push this button here. Oh, hold on. Lift to begin. Maybe if I read it. Okay, dispense hot water. Alright, so continue, and that's 8 ounces. That's what I want. Alright, it'll dispense, and I need to clean that up. But it's great. It is a very great. I love it. That's the temperature I want. I don't have to boil the water. That's the temperature I want. And I actually am boiling water right now, but it's for this is a man's man kitchen. So I got my tools up on the wall. So man's man kitchen. So anyway. So, alright, it's ready. It's finishing up, and then it'll start preheating again. That your brew is complete. Enjoy, and it'll start preheating. So I just unplug it. And until next time. Alright, let me stir this up. Alright, have a great and wonderful day. And here's where the coffee pods go, right in there. So put it in there, and there's a little sharp point that jabs into it. And you just follow the touch screen here, and it works pretty good. You just have to make sure you get the right kind of Keurig pod, the right pod, because they're all different kind of brands and different pods and whatnot. This comes off here, so you can clean that, and this top cover comes off. So that's the sugar, but wash that out, and then it easily just slides in there. And it's pretty. Take this off. I like it. I just use it to make hot water for tea. That's all. The only thing I use it for. But if you're making coffee, it's great. I had trouble with some.